Hey guys, another video is here. Here is Theo. So, as you can see, I have achieved user rank 1200. I can upgrade my rare kits to level 30 right now. But the first thing I'm gonna do is the opening. Yes, let's go, let's do it. I hope so I will get something good. Okay, I got all the figure skating cat before. Jurassic cat, witch cat, pogo cat, gardener. Are you kidding me? Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Have I really got the same Uber as before? Oh well. What is this? Kid base mini? Okay. Okay, I got new Uber. Oh, I don't mind. I got second Empress Kronos, you know. Hades the Punisher. Oh my god, he's really big. Okay, thief, gunslinger, delinquent. Okay. Wait, you might ask me like, hey, what do you mean? Is this really the unluckiest opening ever? Well, just think about it. I got Empress Kronos second time. That's not good. When you get some Uber Super Rare for the second time, it's not worth it. You'd like to get a new Uber, but then I got Hades, the Punisher. Well, that's an Uber. However, it's the worst Uber Super Rare in this event. So yeah, that's why I call this the unluckiest opening ever. Well, yeah, let's open one more capsule. Let's go. Okay, on Myoji. So, okay, wait. There is a discount. Just a 30 cat food. Oh my god. That's really worth it. Okay, I got a new super rare. That's great. That's great. Give me Naneko. I guess I will try the Wild Flesh Insane. Yeah, there are black enemies. Okay, this won't be easy. Please don't be the black bun. Okay. Yeah, I'm so dead. I'm just so dead. I have no way how to beat this. I have no way, guys. I just don't have a chance. Okay, there are two of them. Yes, of course, because one isn't enough. You just need two of them. Of course, man. Of course. I'm just spamming everything I can. They aren't damaging my Ubers yet, which is good. However, okay. I wanted to say that I worry when they will. Oh my god. Stop it, Buns, please. Knock back them. I need my Ubers to survive. That's the key to victory. Well, so I have no idea what's going on there. Just there is really big chaos. Oh wait, they died? I actually did it? Let's see if the sea really whispers. And what does it whisper? I have no idea how hard it will be to beat those levels, because I haven't played Stories of a Legend for a pretty long time. It's gonna be about 10 episodes, isn't it? I don't know. I think that this is the episode number 46 of Battle Cats. I'm sorry guys, I have no idea. But yeah, I'm going in. That's what I know. That I'm gonna destroy this level with my Ubers, with my good cats and everything. Yeah, baby. Okay, just Night Beach Lilin, please, because there are trade less in this level. Let's go, got it. Nothing can stop me now. Not in this level. Yeah, this was really easy. I don't know why I did this before, but yeah. Don't mind. Ripples Island. Let's beat Ripples Island. Alright. Few big red piggies. Well, that's not a problem. That's actually really easy. You know why? Because I just send those and they will take care of it. That's it. Really easy. Got 60,000 experience. Oh my god, that's wonderful. Octopus Sea. Let's see what's inside of the Octopus Sea. So I don't see a reason why wouldn't I be able to beat this level. Okay, just a few ducks. That's it? Just a few ducks? That's all your army? Oh my god, that's so weak. Goodbye, you weakling. Go away. You have nothing to do here. Yeah, goodbye. Octopus Sea, nothing. Still nothing. Yeah, Poseidon rest. Let's go, baby. I'm progressing. I'm going. Alright. I've hit to the base and it seems like there are literally no enemies coming. Okay, this was the easiest level. Really easy. Moonlight Beach. Whoa! Moonlight Beach cleared. I got again pretty nice amount of experience. So let's go into Coral Reef. Okay, there is an ass licker. I hope so it won't be a problem. Well, it shouldn't be. I have just one word to say. Easy. That's it. Arc of the month. Let's go, baby. Arc of the month. Still no problem. Well, I think this should be the last level. Killer Sardines. Let's go. Oh my god. I have 1,000 HP on my base left. Whoo! I don't even know how did that happen, but I am really lucky that I didn't die here. What the hell is this? Never underestimate those black dogs. They can be really dangerous. Trust me. They can be really dangerous, just look at it. Okay, what's in here? A few dogs. That shouldn't be a problem. I hope so, it's not a problem. Because if it's a problem, then it's a problem, and yeah, that's everything I can say about it. Okay, it wasn't a problem. They're dead. Yeah, easy. Still easy. Don't look at this. It's just... No, no, no. Look at this. Never look at this. Yeah, I've destroyed the base. I have killed the killer sardines. Got leadership and free cat food. That's great. Okay, let's look at the Sushi Island. And let's attack Tuna Field. Woohoo! Oh, two S-Lickers. Okay, Night Beach Island is this. I think I'm fine. Or I should be fine at least. Just kill those S-Lickers. And we have one already. Kill them. Okay, got knockbacked. It's nice because the Night Beach Lion is getting a shield. Well, yeah, she has a shield, as you can see. That's really nice. They're getting pushed back. Yes, one of them got killed. The second one is still trying, but I'm gonna destroy his base. And yeah, that's it. I found 2 coals and 60,000 experience. I've cleared Tuna Field, so right now I have to clear Crab Field. Crab Field was cleared. I've earned some bonus experience and bricks. Real nice. I think this is gonna be all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Goodbye.